How to watch live videos on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn the steps on how we can watch live videos on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to watch live videos on TikTok, there are certain methods. One of them is after opening the app. You just need to open the app first. After opening the app, you will be able to see this home screen. So here on the home screen at the very up at the left side, you can see this live option. Just tap on it, and here you will be able to see the people that are live. You may just scroll down and watch the live of the people that you may like. You can find many people live here. You may just go to any of the person's live. So another method is you can go to inbox in order to watch the live of the people whom you have followed. So in order to do that, you just need to go to inbox, and here if anybody is live from the people that you follow, you will be able to see them. Just tap on that. You can see this icon right now. The person I followed here, this person is live, so you can see this red circle. That means that person is live. So therefore, in this way, you can watch live videos on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.